Hello guys, and welcome back to a video. And today in this video I will be showing you how to disassemble a 5x5 Rubik's Cube. So what you need to do is grab a flat screwdriver, and then once you have that, this middle piece or any of the middle pieces like these, you need to grab it like this and stick it in there, and then pull out, and then it should just come out really easily. So that's the first part, and then you need to do that to all four. So I'm going to do that real quick. Alright, so I have done it, and here's what it should look like. So once you're done with that, you're going to grab any of the side pieces, like these side pieces, and you're going to do the same thing, and then just get it out like so. So that's what you do. Let me get these real quick. Go. Two more. Okay. Now, oh, I missed one. Oops, sorry. Alright, so this is what it should look like, and if you don't have that, I'll explain that to you in another video. Anyways, if you are here, what you need to do is take out these pieces, these other middle pieces, and you can either do that with your fingers or with the flat screwdriver that you have. I like doing it with my fingers, so one sec, let me do this. And you do these to all of them. Alright, once you have done that, all the metal pieces should have gone. And then you could do is just take out, sorry, I didn't show you that. Here, you can take out the side piece here and the corner piece really easily, and it should start falling out, and that's good. So you can just start like taking it all apart. So you have half of the thing done, and hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Please feel free to like or subscribe, and have a good day. Bye.